Hi guys, welcome back to Lovely Gifts and Designs. I just wanted to show you a couple of things that are great for the garden this year. We have the Hummingbird. It's actually a mason jar hummingbird feeder, which is really cute. But I took one because I snatched one up for myself, and I have a few left. A lot of them have sold, but I do have a few left. But this is what it looks like. So they'll come in a box like this. Of course, I'm going to put it in another box and make sure it's secure. But this is what it looks like. How cute is this? So you got the wire to hang it, nice and sturdy. And then you open it up, and plenty of room in there for your hummingbirds to feed themselves. And you got the four spots for them to feed through. How adorable is that? So pretty. We have a few of those left. How many? I don't know. Maybe 3, 4. I don't remember off the top of my head. I had a lot of them, but a lot of them are selling. And then we have the weeding tool. This thing is sharp. It's got a wood handle, a hole there to hang it. And yes, this one is mine, so I did keep one for myself. I actually use it for my potted plants when I'm transferring plants from a bigger pot or whatnot. And I need to break up some of the topsoil, which is a little bit too hard. So, and then, of course, in the garden, lifting weeds, breaking weeds. This thing is really great. Look at that. Very thick, very strong and durable. It's got weight to it. Solid piece. The household items, and I wanted to give you a close-up visual of what they look like. They are, everything that I show you on my YouTube channel is already listed on eBay. This is an oil dispenser. I'm going to open it. And it has the straw. So you have the jar here, and then you have the washer, and the washer would go in here, and then this part of the straw, goes to the bottom of the glass. So you want to put it in this part right here. Let me see if I could show you. You would insert it in here. Once it's in there for good. So I don't want to do that, but that's the way it comes. You put this in here, and then it has the washer, and that goes with it. So, anyway, put it together, and then you just spray. And it sprays out, and I believe there's a way, there's a spout there. So you can pour it, or you can spray. And it also comes with labels. You can make your own, or you could use the ones that come with it. But that is that for this one. Just wanted to give you a good visual and let you see how it works. Have these ceramic plates that actually go around the sink, and they protect your sink and keep it clean. And they also, you could put your sponges and rags and whatnot, and they will not get smelly and moldy. So you just do that. I don't know if you can see that. So it goes around your faucet. Easy to clean. And it keeps around your sink all nice and dry. Everything goes on here. It has the groove, so everything would go off to the edges and then into your sink. That's pretty cool. So that is that. And I think we have a few more left of these as well. We have vents. These are vents that you can, they're magnetized. And you can redirect your, I think it goes up to 12 inches. But anyway, you can redirect the air, whether it be heat or your central air conditioning. You can actually redirect it to where you want it. And if you don't have the metal vents, you can screw them in. And you can redirect your heat or your air. So that's that for these. You get 2 vents per box. So here's one, and then here's another. So there are 2 vents in the box. And we also have this meat shredder. So you have the purple pieces in here, and you have the cleaner in here, which is pretty cool. And let's see how this works. So I'm gathering, you put these on here. You would stick your meat in there and then turn, and you would shred your meat. Well, that's pretty wild. That is pretty wild. Okay, so you would shred your meat. Now when you take it out, all your meat is shredded. Look at all that. Those are pointy little suckers. Wow. Never seen one of those before. And then you have the brush to, I guess, clean it all out after you're done. You get to clean it all out. You're gonna need it. Anyway, I thought that was pretty cool. I've never seen that before. Okay, and the last thing is a mug, specially made for mamas, tough mamas. And it is, don't mess with Mamasaurus, you'll get your ass kicked. Your ass kicked. Okay, so it has an open and close, really. Yeah, that's pretty solid. So I guess if you move it, yeah. And then it seals nice. It has that rubber piece. And you open it up. It's got some good suction with that rubber gasket there. And then you would close it. Did I get it on? Yeah. Okay, and then open, close. So I guess when you're drinking, or maybe put a straw in there, and then you close it, has that rubber piece right inside so it won't leak. That's pretty cool. Well, my friends, that's it for this video. I hope you like what I've shown you today. If there's anything you see in my videos that you're interested in, all my inventory is available on my eBay and Etsy stores, and the links are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please click that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video, and share this video. It moves the algorithm, and it helps more people find us, and it helps support the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.